Yeah, hi Dayakar. Good morning. Able to hear me? General document posting with foreign currency. General document posting with foreign currency. Within the bracket, write down single screen. Within the bracket, write down single screen. Path, already we know that single screen path. The same path we are going to do it. This is the same path, single screen path, FB50. Okay, directly I'll go with the transaction code. Transaction code is FB50. FB50. Okay. So now we are posting document with foreign currency. For example, F4, F2, date. Okay. Tab, currency is euro. I'm taking foreign currency euro. Reference number. GL, 6 documents we have posted. I'm taking this as seventh document. Seventh document. So document header text. Posting with foreign currency. Posting with foreign currency. Or you can write here as a foreign currency. Posting with foreign currency. Write down date, today's date. Currency here, foreign currency. And I'll take the GL account 2,40,000. Cash account. Debit. Rent received account. Credit. 3,20,000 rent received account. Credit. 42,000. 42,000. Press enter. So can I click on post document? Can I click on post document? Yes, no.
No.
What is the error I'm going to get it? What is the error I'm going to get it? What are the mandatory things here we need to give? Hello?
Profit center.
Business area first. Business area and profit center. Two mandatory things we need to give. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'll give it as an 1,000 euro. So here, because I thought it's INR, right? So it will convert into euro. If you click on details button, it will show you what is the exchange rate value it is taking. Sorry, here it is for me, it's not showing. See here, you can see exchange rate 90.120 it is taking. Okay, we can see this exchange rate value, which manually we have given. Give business area. Debit line item I'm giving. BHYD. Corporate profit center I'm giving. B9,000. Okay, click on simulate. Click on simulate. You can see here cash account debited to rent received account. Cash account debited to rent received account. Okay, click on post document. Click on post document. So we can see after posting, we can see the document report in 3 different currencies. Okay. So click on document, display. Okay. General ledger view. So I'm going to see in zero ledger. Now you can see here. See, we have given business area on debit line, profit center on debit line. So here you can see report in 3 different currencies. One is in document currency. Entry is cash account debited to rent received account. Amount 1000 in euro currency, local currency, and hard currency. And we have given business area and profit center debit line item. Okay, because of document splitting, we have activated. So with that, business area is copied from debit to credit. Profit center is copied from debit to credit. And segment is derived from your profit center. Correct? Any questions on this? Just write down this entry. So if you want to view other GLs also, we can view. This is IFRS ledger and this is US GAAP reporting. And the standard ledger, zero ledger. Any questions here? Write down this entry with the values.
This we need to write now.
This entry, just write it out. At the time of your practice, you will understand. Means for you, it will be there, the transaction, what transactions we have posted.
Okay.
Okay.
If we post the same, we will get any error.
Sorry?
If we post the same, we will get any error.
Same, yes. Okay. Any questions? Okay. We will post one more document with the double screen. Okay. Write down. Posting foreign currency document in double screen. Already we discussed, right? So transaction code F-02. Transaction code F-02. F-02. Okay.
What is the head?
Just write it down. Foreign currency posting in double screen. Foreign currency posting in double screen. Foreign currency posting in double screen. Already we have done the path, right? Okay. So here, just write it down. F-02. So document date. F4, F2. F4, F2. So here, I'm going to give the currency Singapore dollar. Singapore dollar. Okay. I'll give foreign currency posting 02. Posting in foreign currency. Okay. Posting key here, you know that the difference between single screen and double screen. Single screen, you can select debit and credit, but here we need to remember the posting case. I'll tell you what kind of access normally companies, end user companies will give. See here, normally for entry users, for freshers, normally majority end user companies will give access to FB50 transaction code. FB50 transaction code. Why? I'll tell you. If you are posting any document in normal finance, right, we will have posting in this particular screen. Why? In the sense, we now need to remember the posting case. So here we can select debit and credit. Debit and credit. And this is applicable only to the GL accounts only. GL accounts only. So that if end user can select the correct debit and correct credit. Okay. But when it comes to double screen, it is not restricted to only GL posting case. You can select anything, like you can select vendor credit. Okay. Vendor invoice, vendor credit, or vendor debit. Okay. Like that, you can have any posting key we can select. Right? These many posting keys we can select. But when it comes to FB50, we can select only GL debit and GL credit. So that's the reason it will be given not for end user entry level people. It will be given normally to next level people. The people who are having hands-on experience on SAP, who are having hands-on posting experience, for them this particular transaction code access will be given so that they can select correct posting key. Clear? Any questions? So that is the difference between a single screen and a double screen. Any other questions? But the output would be the same. Any questions? Kindly respond, please.
No, sir.
So write down 2,40,000 cash account. So as I said that this is from here till here, it's a header data. And from here, it is first line, line 1. And press enter. Press enter. I'm giving $2,000. Business area. What is the difference between a business place and a business area? What is the difference? Yesterday, I explained what is the difference between business place and business area. Hello? When we will take business place? Spandana. See, this is applicable for taxation module. Business place, when we are going to take in the sense, whenever we are doing a tax transactions. So as per the tax regime, right? Tax place means, for example, the transaction is happening in between, within Telangana or Andhra, then we will select this business place. TS, AP, right? Maharashtra, MH, like that. Business area is nothing but your branch. So here I'm selecting BHYD. Profit center B1000. So I'm giving business area and profit center in debit line item. So text GL document with SGD. Singapore dollar. Okay. So here credit posting key 50. Credit posting key 50. Share capital 1 lakh. Share capital 1 lakh. Just write it down. So this is a debit line area, debit line item, what do you call it? First line item. So I'm giving debit line, business area and profit center. I'm nowhere mentioning the segment. Segment will be picked from the profit center. Just write it down. Once you're done, let me know. So from here, second line will start. Next line will start, credit line. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Press enter. So how to copy the amount?
Star.
Start to copy the amount and start to copy the amount, and how to copy the text?
Plus.
Plus to copy the text. Press enter. So here you can see it will be converted automatically. When I press enter, the conversion will take place from SGD to INR. See here. So automatically amount has been copied from debit line to credit line, and text, when I pressed plus, it will copy it from debit text to credit text. Just write it up. So I'm not giving any business area profit center in credit line item, because we have already done the document splitting. Okay. Now next, click on simulate and save it. You can see here, cash account debited to equity share capital account, 2000. How many line items? We have 2 line items. So click on post button. Okay, we can see now the report display. So go to general ledger. This is entry view. Okay, general ledger view. See here, you can see. So 3 currencies: document currency, local currency, that is nothing but your company code currency, and your hard currency. So 3 documents, 3 currencies with 3 ledgers. 3 ledgers. So 3 into 3, 9 entries. So here we have given debit line, business area, profit center, and profit center we have given, but it is updated copy from debit to credit, profit center copied from debit to credit, and segment is derived from profit center. Segment is derived from profit center. Just write it down this end with values. Is it done? Yes, everyone. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will see one more entry with single screen again. Okay. What is the transaction code for posting in single screen? Single screen, it's FB50, and double screen, it is F-02. Okay. So /n FB50, /n FB50. So I'm posting here F4, F2, currency SGD, Manually, I'll change This is FC03 foreign currency posting 03. Okay, just write it down. Singapore dollar I am posting FC03. FC03. So here I'm manually changing 55.86. Okay. Manually, what I'm doing is I'll change it to 54. I manually change exchange rate value manually. Okay, I'm changing to 56 to 54. Okay. So as per the agreement with the whatever party, we can change the exchange rate value manually. So to change at the time of posting manually, then we need to click on details button and we need to change as per the requirement. Clear? So next go to GL account. Same 2,40,000. 2,40,000. So again, rent received account 3,20,000. So debit, credit. So I'm giving again $1,000. So now it will be calculated with 52, 54. So it will show 54,000. See here. Manually, it is updated. Okay. What my advice is at the time of listening, write down the running notes so that at the time of your practice, it would be easy. So don't depend upon the recording part. Okay. So next one. So business area, credit line I'm giving BHYD. Credit line I'm giving BHYD. Credit line I'm giving profit center B1000. Credit line I'm giving. So yesterday we saw zero balance trigger account also, right? Okay, B1000. Write it down. B1000. Business area, Hyderabad business area, B1000. Okay. Now, document, simulate. Okay. And click on post. So now you can write this entry. Display. Display. General ledger view. So here again, see it is changed to 54. Manually we have changed. So the foreign currency translation it has done with 54 rupees. So we have given the business area and profit center on credit line. It is updated to debit. And segment is also derived from profit center. Clear? So we have done the posting, so foreign currency posting in single screen, double screen, and manually change of exchange rate values. So any questions in this three? Clear? So three things: how to post in single screen, double screen, and how to change the exchange rate value. That is nothing but translation value. Just write it down. Kindly respond, please, whether you're, because it's a virtual, I'm having an internet issue. That's the reason I'm asking again and again, is that okay or not? Yeah, is it clear?
S9. So this is only end user part.
This is end user part. But why we are doing this testing? This is nothing but testing, not end user part.
Okay.
The end user will test, but whatever configuration we have done, whether is it working perfectly or not. See, document splitting we have done. What is the rule of document splitting? How many types of document splitting we have?
3.
What are they? What are they?
Active, passive, and 0.
What is active splitting? What is active splitting? What is active splitting? See, again, I'm telling you, practice is mandatory. Without that, it's impossible. Classes will go on, but if you won't practice, then it would be a big challenge. Okay, so active splitting is nothing but however we enter how we enter the transaction. In the same way, if the splitting happens, then that is considered as an active splitting. So this is nothing but your active splitting. So you have configured document splitting for active splitting, zero balance splitting, and passive splitting. So now we have checked, we are checking whether active splitting is working perfectly or not, right? If we are giving the business area profit center, right? In debit line or a credit line, whether it is updating, if you are giving on credit, whether it is copied to debit or not. If you are giving debit, whether it is updating in credit or not. Clear? And whatever foreign currency exchange rate values we have given configured, whether it is perfect working or not. So all the configurations we are testing now, right? So at the in real time, invoices will be received, then they will also do the same, right? So if we test perfectly and we approve, then what we call end user person will check. If it is working perfectly, then only they will approve. That can be moved to production. Understood? Even though it is an end user activity, but we should have a knowledge on this, because we are going to test or we are going to give the training to end users on different scenarios. That's the reason I'm going to show maximum and maximum scenarios for each and everything. I'm not leaving that only one foreign currency posting like that. I'm showing you foreign currency posting. If I take, yesterday you saw that with zero balance splitting. I took different business area and different profit centers. Clear? Is this clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So write down. Spandana, did I answer your question?
S9.
Is it done? Okay. So we have completed this foreign currency also. We have completed single screen postings, double screen posting. So still we will see few more. Next one, put a heading as an general document posting with special periods. Write down general document posting with special periods. General document posting with special periods. Means, for example, after closing, we need to post a few entries on special periods. That is nothing but 13th period or 14th period. Okay. So write down general document posting with special periods. General document posting with special periods. Write down in bracket. In bracket, write down double screen. What is the transaction code for double screen?
F-02.
F-02. So F-02. General document posting with special periods. So we can do both in both single screen and double screen also. But first I'll show you in F-02 / n F-0. Okay. Special periods, you know that. After closing the books of accounts, that is nothing but April to March. So we are going to hand over the books to auditors. Okay. Fiscal year is completed and we are giving the books to auditors. Auditor will do the audit activities. Correct? They may take time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Right? During that period, they may identify few missing transactions or few incorrect transactions. Correct? So then that is going to be tracked with special periods. For example, so we are in 2023 fiscal year, correct? And probably they found it out. So 2023 fiscal year, when it's going to be end, 31st March 2024, it's going to be end. Okay. And we have handed over books on 31st March to auditor on or 1st April of 2024. So auditors start checking the books, and on 1st April, they found few entries are missing. And they asked us to post in that particular period. Means which period they have checked? April month of 2024, but that belongs to fiscal year of 2023. Then SAP has provided we can have a minimum 1 special period or maximum of 4 special periods. Then at that particular point of time, if we found, the auditor found the entry, right, on April month, then that will become 13th month. Okay, so they have checked April month, everything, and they didn't found any issues. Okay, then they will start checking in the month of May month, and they found some entries, issue with the some entries. Then they will ask to rectify or update the entries. Then we will take the special period as an 14th period. Okay, if not, in April and May month, 13th and 14th period also, they didn't found any issues, and they found issues in June month. Okay, and they'll ask us to update. Then we will take special periods on 13th, 14th, and 15th period. Here we will give 15th period. What does it mean? By checking this period, so we can track which month we have updated, whether we updated in the month of April 13th period, or May 14th period, or June 15th period, or last month, July 16th period. So by updating these periods, we can track which month the auditor found and we have rectified or we have updated missing entries. Clear? Any questions? Okay. Any questions? Okay, so here I'll take F4, F2. F4, F2, I am taking. So here the major challenge with posting date. So which, for example, I am doing in the month of April. That is nothing but 13th period. Of 13th period, I am doing an adjustment entry. So here always keep in mind, whenever we are posting an entry belongs to last fiscal year and we are doing an adjustment entry, then here the posting date should be the last day of the fiscal year, the last day of the fiscal year. What would be the last date of fiscal year of 2023 fiscal year? What would be the last date?
31/12.
We are not following a Jan to December, right?
31st March.
31st March. 31st March 2023. Okay. Give any reference number, special period posting. Document posting in or with special period. With special period. Here I'll take document with special period. Okay, just write it down. Just write down as it is. So for example, sorry, not current date, I'll take for example, April month we have found, right? For example, on 27th of April. So I'll give it as an 27th of April. 27th of April. '27 for 2023. Okay. Write down as it is. So give. Okay, just change manually to 13th. 13th period. April in the sense 13th month. 13th period. Now 2,40,000 cash account. Write it down. 2,40,000. So press enter. Just write it down. So we found 27 for 2023. Means what does it mean? It belongs to next year. Because we are selecting posting on 31st March 2023. Okay. Just write it on this. Done. So press enter. It will throw a message. Posting period 13/2022. 2022 is not opened. Right? It's not opened. Posting period 2022 is not opened. Then what we need to do? We need to open those period. Okay, we have not opened. So you know, right? You remember, right? How to open a posting periods? Write down. Opening the posting periods at end user level. Opening the posting periods at end user level. Okay, opening the posting period at end user level. Write down the path. Write down the path. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. Because we have opened only for 2023. SAP menu. Accounting. accounting. Next one, SAP menu, accounting, 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 financial accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, general ledger, general ledger, general ledger. Next, click on environment. Click on environment. Click on enter current setting, current settings, current settings. Open and closed posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Transaction code S underscore AL and ALR underscore S underscore ALR underscore 8700 3642 3642 S underscore ALR underscore 8700 3642. Okay, click on position button. What is our posting period? I think what is our posting period variant? Anyone remember? If you don't remember, you can search. I think it's a BPV3. 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 You can see here. So here, just open the 2022 fiscal year also. We are opening here 2022, 2023. So we are opening for last fiscal year 2022 and current year also we are opening normal periods and special periods as it is. Write it down. We are opening 2022 fiscal year and as well as current year for normal periods and special periods. You can see here. So normal first period from 2022 to 12th period of 2023 means 2022 12 periods we are opening, and from first period of 2023 to 12th period of 2023 we are opening, and same time special periods of 2022 and as well as special periods of 2023 we are opening. Just write it down as it is. Just write it down as it is. Once you're done, let me know. Is it done? Yes, no.
1 second, Naveen.
So click on save button. Click on save button. So ours is one request. Birla. Okay. Save. Now I'll go to transaction. I'll try to post it /n FB02. Sorry, F-02. Okay. So here I'll take 27/4/2022, 27/4/2023. Next one, 31/12/2023. 2023, reference number, special 0, document with special periods, 2,40,000. Okay, so here you can see it's automatically picked 31 March 2023 in the sense it automatically picked 12th period. But here manually we need to change it to, so here, okay, 2020. So 31st March 2023 in the sense that will become 2022. Okay, so now manually 13, 12 to 13. 12 to 13. So 2022 books auditor has checked and he found on 27th April of 2023 he has checked. So press enter. So write down here this message. Posting takes place in previous fiscal year. Posting takes place in previous fiscal year. What does it mean? So we are in fiscal year of 2023, but this particular posting will not belongs to the current period books of accounts. It will be posted in the previous year books of accounts. Just write it down. The error message. Posting takes place in previous fiscal year. Okay. So if you press enter again, it will show one more message stating that posting date and document date are in different fiscal years. Okay. So 27/4/2023 will become 23 fiscal year and 31 March 2023 will become 2022 fiscal year. So if you press enter, it will show an error message stating that document date and posting date are in different fiscal years. See here. Document date and posting date are in different fiscal year. Write down this message also. You know the reason why. 27, 24, 23 is nothing but current fiscal year. And 31/3/2023 is a previous fiscal year. Okay. So press enter. Press enter. So I'm giving amount as in 64,000. INR only. Business area. Business area. BHYD. Profit center. B1000. B1000. And give the here value data. Okay. 31/3/2023. 31st March. Document text. I'm giving it as a document posting in special periods. Special period. Just write down this info. Document posting in special periods. And 50. Share capital account. Write down this info. $64,000. Hyderabad business area. Profit center 1,000. Posting ki 50. Account 1 lakh. Share capital account. Press enter. Start to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. And here the value date should be always ending date. 31/3/2023. So already we have updated debit line, business area and profit center. Okay, press enter. Just write it down. So here focus on. Okay, click on post. So here one document posted in special period, right? 1,08,000. So go to document, display. So you can see here period 13. Which fiscal year it is posted? See here. Is it 2023 or 2022? We never entered, see the document date we have not entered as in 2023, nor posting date we have entered on 31st March 2022. But it is posted in fiscal year 2022 with special period of 13. So we need to understand 13 in the sense fiscal year 2022, 13th period is nothing but April month of 2023 we have identified and we have rectified the entry or we have done the adjustment. Okay, it's not 2023, it's a 2022. Okay, now okay, so you can write it as a general ledger view. See here. Any questions in this? Any questions?
No, Naveen.
Okay, so understood, right? We have not entered anywhere 2022 fiscal year, but automatically it fixed as per your dates. As per your dates. One more entry we will see with the single screen. Okay, write down, put a heading as an general document posting. General document posting with special periods. With special periods in single screen. In single screen. Okay. So directly I'm going with the transaction code /n FB50. General document posting in special period using single screen. Using single screen. So go to FB50. See again, see. So here, can I change the period? Can I change the period here?
No, it is visible.
It's an ineditable, right? So
Yeah.
then I can't change any correction, right? If it is like this, then how to change this in the sense? So here the most important thing, editing options. Click on editing options. Okay, see, editing options, go to editing options. So if I am clicking here, see here, period is also not updated, not showing here. Sometimes in your end user screen, the periods will not show here, correct? Then what we need to do is click on editing option. So if I say, so in FB50, click on editing option, click on display periods. If I say display periods, what it will do? We can't edit it, but it will display. It will display, but we can't edit it. Same, click on editing options. If you want to change, then posting in special periods possible. So we need to check both this one, display periods, postings in special periods possible. Okay, then save it. And click on back button. Now you can see. Understood, right? We are going to discuss everything. Almost all we are going to discuss. whatever options are there and everything. Understood, right? Any questions? Yeah, now it is, we can do it. 30th April month we have posted, so we have taken 13th period. June month I am posting now. So error found in June month. Error found in June month. So for example, 10/6/2023. So what is the posting date we need to take? What is the posting date we need to take?
31st March.
Yes, 31st March 2023. Okay, so this will become 15th period. So the important thing is here, posting date, 31st March 2023. Okay. Special period 2. Okay. Document with header textile. Document with special period. So here salaries account debited to cash account. I'll take an entry, 4,30,000 to cash account. Sundry debit, credit. Okay. Amount. I'm taking some amount. 26,000. 26,000. Just write it down. So June month we found this particular entry is not posted. And we are updating on the same month. Okay. If I press enter, then it will show an error message stating that posting take place in the previous fiscal year. You can see here, write down this one. Posting takes place in previous fiscal year. So if I press enter, what is the another message we are going to get? Document date and posting date are in different fiscal years. You remember that in double screen, right? The same thing we are going to get here also. So check document date is in the future. So here document date and posting date are in different fiscal year. Check this. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Okay, so here value date should be 31st March 2023. 31st March 2023. Business area. Business area. BHYD. BHYD. Hyderabad and profit center. I'm taking it as a B9000. Just write it down. Okay, simulate and save it. You can see here period 15 is updated, fiscal year 2022. Okay, fiscal year 2022, period 15, and click on post button, go to document, display, general ledger view. So the most important thing here, business area is copied. Okay, business area we have done. And here the most important thing. Okay, so here the most important thing is which fiscal year it is capturing and which period it is capturing. Clear? Any questions? Is it done? Yes, no. Am I audible?
Yes, Naveen.
I kindly respond again and again. I'm requesting. Okay. So with this, we have completed with special periods. Right? We have seen in double screen, single screen, foreign currency posting, ledger group posting in both single and double screen. Clear? With all sort of splittings, except the passive splitting, we have covered active splitting and as well as zero balance splitting. Until here, we have completed. So before going to parked document, we will see the reports. So write down. Write down. Okay, let us see the reports now. Display document list. Write down. Display document list. Okay, display document list. Write down the transaction path. Write down path SAP menu. Path SAP menu. Path SAP menu. Accounting. 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 Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. Financial accounting. General ledger. So to enter the transaction, we'll go with the document entry. To view the reports, we are going to do different path. So here first basic reports we'll see in document. So click on document, 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 click on display. Click on display. So to view the document list, transaction code FB03, display. Display. Okay, press enter. Press enter. The last document will be displayed here. Whatever last posted document is there, that will be displayed here. That will be displayed here. Okay, if you want to view any document, okay, so here I would like to see 1/2023. Okay, so we can see the document in entry view, document entry view, and next with GL view. Okay, and we can see what is the header data, right? Okay, so here you can see here header information. We can see narration, whatever narration, right? Table, which transaction table it is got affected, we can see here. Okay. So if you want to see multiple documents, if you don't remember the document number, then okay. If you don't remember the document number, so click on document list. Click on document list. Click on document list. Press back button. Click on document list. Give the company code and okay, fiscal year. Okay, document type. Here I'm giving SA document type and click on execute. Click on execute. So all the documents it will be get displayed. So from 1 lakh to total 10 documents we have posted. Ignore this first document. It is done for testing purpose. It is done for testing purpose. So we have posted from 1 to 9. Clear? So any document, if you double click on any document, you can see the details. Clear? So from here we can go to the general ledger view. Clear? So this is about display document, and we will see tomorrow session change document types. In tomorrow session, change document type. This one, change document. We will do some changes in the document after posted and how to change and what are the fields we can change it. Clear? Those things we will discuss in tomorrow session. We can't change all the fields. What are the fields we can change and how to find it, whatever fields are changed. And other reports we will see in tomorrow session. Clear? Any questions before I'll wind up?
No.
Okay. Thank you. See you in tomorrow session.